Bigger is not always better. I find this 5-piece mini plier set from Mastercraft perfect for delicate work and smaller components. The set includes a 115mm combination plier with a serrated gripping surface, a rounded area for turning or holding objects, and a blade for cutting and trimming. The 110mm side cutters, which give a really close cutting edge, the 120mm long nose pliers, which have a serrated front section, smooth surface for compressing, and a sharp cutting blade, great for tight spots. And then there's the 102mm end cutting pliers, which will twist, trim, and pull. And lastly, the 125mm round nose pliers, which are the perfect tool for making loops or coils. They all feature dual leaf springs for easy opening and closing, durable chrome vanadium steel, and well-designed handles with comfort and control in mind. This is a great multi-purpose set for small projects, hobbies, and crafts. This is just one of the plier sets available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.